Erin, ErinLai212, your shuffle coach. Thank you for joining me in this tutorial today. I will be teaching you the 6th and 7th 8 count of my choreo to It Happens Sometimes by Jack Back. If you're just happening upon this video, it is part of a full choreo package where I've broken down all of the steps into individual tutorials for you, the choreo into 8 count chunks for you, so you can learn each chunk as well as the full choreo to movement cues and counts, and performed it to slow, medium and full tempo music. Everything you need to learn a full shuffle choreo from start to finish and walk away with individual steps that you can use in your shuffle flow moving forward. I wish I had something like this when I was first learning to shuffle, and I'm super excited to be able to offer it to you today. If you enjoy it, please like and subscribe to my channel. Follow me on Facebook and Instagram. Do the full choreo, film it, tag me, that would be amazing. And if you like it, I have more available for purchase over on my website, ErinLai212.com. Go over there and check those out. Without further ado, let's jump straight into it. All right, are you ready to learn the 5th and 6th 8 count? I'm ready. Let's jump straight into it. So we have just finished our 4 counts of freestyle and 1. So we're going to jump out into our running man triangle on 1. Our right leg should be in front. And from here, we just have 4 running mans, starting on our right leg. 1, 2, 3, 4, and again, from here, we have 4 running mans, but we're going to travel in that rainbow pattern. 1, 2, 3, 4, and that's it. That's your 6th 8 count. So we got freestyle, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Amazing. Again, with movement cues. Freestyle, 7, 8, and running man. 2, 3, 4, and travel. 6, 7, 8. Amazing. Do you have that? I'm pretty sure we can move on from here. I believe in you. From here, we've got our kick, cross, slide. If you don't know what that one is, jump into the tutorial. We got kick, cross, slide. So that's 1 and 2. From here, we've got 3, 4. So this is really just a stationary T-step with a tapping leg. Yeah? 1 and 2, 3, 4. And then we're going to reach our arms up this way. Well, I guess your way it's going to be like this. I'm mirroring you. Hey, whoops, that was not very balanced. Hey, yeah, nice. So take it from the running mans. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2, 3, 4. Amazing. Okay, we'll just do the 1 and 2, 3, 4 again. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, kick, cross, slide, tap, tap. Amazing. So your weight for this one, kick, cross, make sure it's in that toe, slide out. Now it should be in this leg here. So make sure you do that, otherwise you'll be feeling off balance. Kick, cross, slide, transfer, oops, tap, tap. Your weight should be in this toe, this T-stepping toe. 1 and 2, 3, 4. Yeah, amazing. Then from here, we've got these big steps, yeah? And tap, and tap, and tap, boom, boom. So we have and right, and left, and right, boom, boom. And then that last boom, boom, we gotta really prep down to jump, because we're gonna open again on a running man on our left. It's like a full count. Boom, boom, left. That's what it's gonna feel like. So we've got this 1 and 2, 3, 4, and. So go into your pigeon on your and tap, and tap, and tap, boom, boom. That's where you prep. And 1. You jump that on your running man on 1. Again, we'll start on our 1, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, and 2, 3, 4, and tap, and tap, and tap, boom, boom, 1. Again, 5, 6, 7, 8, kick, cross, slide, tap, tap, and 1, and 2, and 3, boom, boom, 1. I know you got this. That's our 8 counts. Let's go from the top. So we're going from our running man's on our right leg. So we got our freestyle, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, and 2, 3, 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, and 8, 1. Jumping out into your triangle with your left leg in front. Again, from your running hands, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and travel, 6, 7, 8, kick, cross, slide, tap, tap, and tap, and tap, and tap, boom, boom, left. Do it again. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, and 2, 3, 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, and 8, 1. A little bit faster. Let's go. You can do it. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, and 2, 3, 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, and 8, 1. Again, 5, 6, 7, 8, running man, 2, 3, 4, and travel, 2, 3, 4, kick and slide, tap, tap, and beat, and beat, and beat, boom, boom, left. All right, let's go. Nice and fast with counts. Are you ready? 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, kick, cross, slide, tap, tap, and beat, and beat, and beat, boom, boom, left. That wasn't counts, that was like a hybrid. One more time, let's go. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, and 2, 3, 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, and 8, 1. Woohoo! Good job if you kept up with me. Amazing. If that is feeling good, you can either move on into your final 2 8 counts, or you can jump into the music version, so you can practice with music, slow, medium, fast, whatever you like. Up to you. Just make sure that you're feeling confident and solid in the steps before you start doing it to music. Get your steps down to the point where you don't have to think about them anymore, and then you can start layering the music on top. If you liked this, give my video a like, subscribe to my channel, feel free to follow me on Facebook and Instagram. Head on over to ErinLai212.com, where I have more choreo packages like this for purchase. Have an amazing day.